Alright, this is Elliot's second trip out here.
Hi.
Good morning, everybody. So, back out of the lakes. Beautiful day today.
Yeah.
Right, it was cloudy back home, but now it's like sunny and calm and just the way we want it.
Yeah.
So we got Elliot, who came out with me 2 years ago, and he caught quite a few. We come back to the same lake, and we brought your friend. Who's your friend?
Megan.
Megan. So Megan and Elliot go to the same class, and Megan's been fishing with us once.
Again, like 3 years ago?
Yeah, but she didn't catch anything last time, so it was kind of disappointing, but we're gonna get one today. What do you think our luck is?
I think that we'll get at least 3.
So we got the rod set up. They got a little brief instruction on how this works. We're just dropping the fly all the way to the bottom today.
Fish.
You see the fish on the... Oh yeah, there's big fish on the sounder. They've learned how to mark fish on the sounder. We've seen quite a few fish in 34, 35 feet deep. So it's pretty exciting. I haven't seen anyone else catching anything yet though.
Now there's 2, maybe? 2?
Well, how many fish do you think there are in here?
3? I don't know. 2?
There are
Feel 2.
probably 10,000 fish in here. A lot of fish. So should be pretty easy to catch one. Right?
I just saw like 5 fish on the screen.
Yeah, there's lots of fish on the sounder, but they're not really biting yet. Who's gonna get the first fish?
I kind of think that Elliot will.
Yeah, you think? Okay, it's only been 15 minutes, and sounds like you guys want a snack. Maybe if we start eating, that would bring on the fish. Oh, Elliot! Oh, Elliot, missed it. Oh, Elliot! Yep. You still have it? Yep. Stand up.
It's over there.
Maybe grab the net. Oh, you lost it.
No!
Okay, we're getting closer. It's kind of starting. We've been at it for 40 minutes now, and finally getting some bites. We're eating Cheetos. We're catching fish. Life is good. Oh, Elliot!
Yank it up!
No. Pull the rod out. And hold it up. Yeah, like bring the net.
It's still on.
Oh, that's a nice one, Ellie. Stop reeling, and bring it back to the net. Yeah.
Get in the net.
Almost.
This is so hard. It's going into. It's in.
Yay! Okay. Good job, guys. Okay. Let's shall we keep that fish for eating? First fish of the day. Took a bit of work, but yeah. While we're waiting for fish.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird we haven't had a bite for a while now that I've been focusing on making the hot dogs.
Is that the top?
Yep, that's it.
That's the top.
Okay, so time to move because they stopped fighting here after we had like maybe like 5 or 6 bites. Time to go find some fish. Oh, 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 oh! Bring it out, take 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 it out, Ellie. Take it out.
I can't.
Take it out. Stop reeling, stop reeling, stop reeling. Take it out. No, stop reeling. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, just slowly.
I saw it. I see it.
Yeah.
I see it. Yeah, a little bit.
That's a big one. Slowly, 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 Ellie.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Okay. And then just lift your rod up. When you stop reeling, lift up. There you go. There you go.
Oh no! Yay! Yes!
Okay, should we let that one go or should we keep that?
Let's keep it.
So Elliot's got his 2 fish already. You're allowed to keep 2, so he's got his limit. So now we're switching seats. So Megan's gonna take over Elliot's rod because that's been the lucky fly so far.
Oh, that's a huge one. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, that's pretty big. It's still pretty big though. So yeah. Oh, Megan, grab it. Yo, I lost it. It came off. That one didn't take it all the way down. It just grabbed a little bit.
It's frustrating because when you don't expect, when you least expect it, they do it. But then when you're
then
ready,
you keep watching it. Yeah.
and then when you're ready, they don't do it.
That's right. Oh, Megan. Yeah, real. Yes, there you go. Good job.
I got the net.
Net boy.
I'm the net boy.
Okay, put this hand a little higher up. Yep, a little higher. Good job. Yep, stop reeling. Okay, just bring towards the net.
Into the net.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
over the
That's
net.
okay. That's
The
okay.
net.
It's still got lots of energy, so.
A little bit more, Elliot.
Yeah. So when the fish pulls, don't reel, okay? Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. It's very strong. So pull a little higher up. Yeah.
And I'll push this a little more down.
No. Okay.
A little bit more, Elliot. Over here.
You need to reel some more, Megan. So pull, just hold it up and then reel down. Yeah, there you go. Almost got it.
Come on, Elliot.
Elliot.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
It's the first fish, Megan. Should we take that one home?
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, Megan got the first fish ever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that took a while, you know, like we lost a few fish and waited. Finally, you got one. Patience paid off. 2 tens now. 1.
And there is 1.
Yep. And 2. A little bit more. Okay, that's it.
Wow, you're amazing. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
No. Ellie tricked us. He like bumped the rod. Oh, Megan.
Elliot, come on.
Okay, stop reeling.
Elliot.
Reeling.
Elliot.
So just pull the rod back.
Oh, I almost had it. Come here.
Got it.
Come on, Elliot.
Okay, there you go. Should we keep that one too? Or you want to wait?
I want to keep it.
Okay, you want to keep it?
Heavy.
We spent about 5-6 hours out there today. Good amount of time. How was your first trip, Megan?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, you got some nice fish, right? So it took a while to get used to it, to get used to the bites. But in the end, you got it. You know, that persistence just kind of paid off, and Elliot got his fish as usual. And yeah, we had about 20 chances and landed maybe half a dozen fish. So not a bad day. Nice day to be out. And there's lots of boats out there. We spoke to lots of friendly people and it was calm and can't complain. Now we're gonna go get a hot chocolate before the drive home. Right? Okay. All right. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a comment on the bottom if you have any other questions. And until next time, say good luck fishing.
Good luck fishing. Good luck fishing.